Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using NX. To model this component we will be using these figure and dimensions to that modeling, and while modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then do the remove material feature. Let's get started. Go to the file, new, model. Our units are in mm, so specify millimeter here, specify the name and specify the location where you want to save the file and just say OK. This is our model. First I am going to start with this base plate. For that, go to sketch. I am going to take a top plane, just say OK. First draw the circle with outside diameter is 40. This one is 40. Say yes. Now this width from here to here they specified as 54. Then add a thickness of 12, then again 54 here. So total length is, just put a one line. The total length is 54 plus 12 plus 54. Just enter it. That is 120. Make that symmetric. Go to this one, this point and this point. Make it symmetric to this one. Say OK. Then just connect. Then distance from the center of the circle to this edge, that is can be calculated by 70. Here the total distance is 75. Just minus this 25. 70 plus 50 is 120. So from here to the center distance is 120. Press the roller to confirm. Now take the line again. Just connect this point to tangent. Press the roller. Again connect this point to tangent of the circle. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim feature. Just trim this edge, then close it. This this solid color indicates that this is a closed sketch. Then finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric to this one. The thickness of extrusion is, here they have specified 16. 16. Just say OK. Now we have created this plate from here to here. Now we just want to create this plate. For that, just rotate your object. Go to sketch again. Select the surface. Just say OK. Now just take a line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. This midpoint. Just put a line. Press the roller to confirm. Specify this dimension as any value. I'm just putting 120. And just make this as a construction line. This one is the construction line. And fix this curve. Just say OK. Now we have created this line. Then we'll start creating this circle. Somewhere just create a circle. The diameter of the circle, here they have given radius is 30. Then diameter is 60. Say OK. And the height from the bottom is, from the top edge to the center is 90. From this point to this point the distance is 90. Press the roller to confirm. Then connect the lines with the tangent to the circle. Here just right click it, select from the list this point, then make it tangent, press the roller to confirm, and this point make it tangent, press the roller to confirm. Now again connect, just close these lines, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Then we just want to remove the unwanted edges by using a trim. Select this one, select this one. Now just close it, then finish the sketch, go extrude. Now here you can see it has to be connected to the bottom also. Just cancel it, then go for here, edit, just delete this one, go for the line again from here to here, then here, then close it. Then press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm, then go for finish sketch, extrude, specify the sketch. The total extrusion thickness is 16 mm. Just say OK. Now we have created this plate and this plate. Now here you can see the cylinder having a 21 mm height. So just add that one. Then further just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Just say OK. Take the circle from here and put the circle. Press the roller to confirm. Then finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Just change it here. Here make it unite. The total length of the cylinder is 21. Specify this as 21. Just save OK. Now we have created cylinder here. Similarly here also we just want to make it. For that just go sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Take the circle. Here from this point press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Now total extrusion is 25. Say OK. Now we have created both the cylinder. Now we'll create this feature. For that go to the sketch again. Now we need to choose this right plane. Say OK. Now take the circle. Just put the circle here. The outside circle diameter is 40. 40, press enter. Say yes. Now we just want to define the center point of the circle. Here from the bottom to here the height is 45. From here to here just go for entire assembly. This is 45. Press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define the center. Here you can see from this surface to this center point is total from here to here it is 75 minus the 25 you will get 50. So from this point to here the distance is 50. Now we have created this circle. Then just connect the line with the tangent line. Take this profile here. The line is not horizontal, so just make a line. Press the roller to confirm. Make this 2 as tangent and this also you make it as horizontal. Then you just take a line from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Make this line as a vertical. Then close the sketch from here to here and here. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a trim options. Trim this one. Then close it. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it this as a symmetric value. The total thickness of extrusion is 12 mm. Just say OK. Then we just want to make a rib here also. For that go to the sketch again. Mid plane, right plane, say OK. Then take a line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Here just right click here, select from the list, point on the curve, edge of extrude, no center point. one edge of the extrude it has taken. Then here we should be the tangent curve. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Then go for orient to the sketch view. Still it can be extended, so just specify this point to, just click this one, the total height from this point to bottom it is 21, from here to bottom edge which is 21, and from here to this edge it is, here you can see minus 20 here, 70 minus 20 50, 50 plus 50 100. So just enter the value of 100, press the roller to confirm. Now again finish the sketch. Now go for the rib. Now it is generating the rib. Just say the thickness of this is 12 mm, just say OK. Here you can see it is connected in this way. Here it is connected properly, here it is not connected properly. For that just delete this rib. Just go here, edit one. Take the profile line again from this point to this point, we just connect it. Specify this as value of 20. Just say OK. Now just go for finish sketch. Extrude. Go for rib again. Select this line. Then say OK. Now we have created this rib. Here we cannot able to create proper rib. Now we can see it is generated. Now we will create the cylinder. For that, go for the sketch again. Same right plane. Say OK. Take the circle. Center one. From here, just finish sketch. Just go for extrude. Make it here as a symmetric value. The total length of this extrusion is 24. Just say OK. Now we have created this also. Now we have done all the add material features. Then we will go for the remove material features. For proper view, just hide all the sketches. Then you will get only the solid object. Now start creating the holes. Take this hole feature. To create a hole, move your cursor to the edge of the cylinder. Then the hole will be placed at the center of the cylinder. Now the diameter of the hole is 18. Until next, normal to face. Until next, subtract, just apply it. Then we just want to place it here. Here also the diameter is 16. Press enter. Normal to the face. Until next, subtract. Just say OK. Then we just want to create a hole here. Now the diameter of the hole here is 30. Just specify the value of 30. Normal to face. Until next, subtract. Just say OK. Now we have created all the holes. Now we just want to create some rounds here. Here. So for that, just go to the edge blend. Select here. Just specify the value of 1. Here. Just say apply. Then we just want to create a round here. Select this edge. Make a round value of 3. Here. And here. And here also there is a round. Say OK. Now we have finished modeling of this component. just rotate every features we have done. Yes, I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.